Hello and namaste. It's Jewel from Goddess Creative. How are you all going? Okay, hopefully this is working. I've got a new speaker. Hopefully it'll be working quite well. So I just wanted to do a check-in because I haven't checked in for a little while. I've had a really busy week. Last week I had a girlfriend in town with her kids, and so I did a little bit of relax and spent some time with her, which was lovely. But I also threw my whole healthy routine out of whack. I'm back on to my fasting this week and back to the gym and being healthy and all my monitoring what I'm doing to improve my health. So last week was a wee bit crazy, far too much drinking alcohol and eating too much. So, but we've all got to do what we've got to do every now and again. It's fun to have a blowout. So this week is, yes, back to my fasting, my intermittent fasting. Currently haven't. So to my intermittent fasting, and I haven't broken my fast yet today. So currently sitting on 18 hours, just waiting another 10 minutes. Thought I'd do this quick video for 18 and a half hours of fasting. Why, you might ask? Because at 17 hours you kick in autophagy. That's why. What is autophagy? Autophagy is the thing that helps kick in your everything that starts healing your body, getting rid of the old dead cells that don't serve anymore, and your natural human growth hormone also helps. So yeah, doing that obviously for healing for me. Okay, so I wanted to also give you an update. I'm so happy I finished my book, and yeah, it's only just got uploaded to Amazon yesterday. The day before, it takes like 24 to 48 hours for approval sometimes. I don't have all the photos on it yet, but of what the book looks like inside. But I want to give you a little look at what is inside. Okay, so here I am here. Yay! I'm super excited. I know it's taken me quite a long time, but it's an amazing book. I'm really proud of it. I've priced it so well in the fact that the value for money is incredible, because this has got like over 30 digital assets in it, as well as it's also, so actually 32 if you include Bitcoin. I've read Bitcoin and Bitcoins in it. And also I've read some precious metals, gold, silver and copper is in it as well. And also some Forex, some currencies are in it, as well as some alternative currencies that you may have heard about and then are wondering about. So I'm going to scroll down here so we can do a little bit more. So like I've just ordered it myself. I just purchased it a couple of days ago, and I don't actually get it to show you until once I get it, I'll do another thing so I can flip through and show you the pages a bit more, but I don't get it until the end of this month. Being in Bali, everything takes a lot longer. This here is a delivery address in the US, so it would be a lot quicker. But because I'm in Bali, I've had to use, like, that's a, what do you call it, a forwarding shipping company, so you can get the book. Actually, in Australia, unfortunately, you cannot buy it yet because it's printed in colour on the inside, and to keep the costs low, I had to select a lower cost of colour printing, and they don't offer it in Australia or Japan. So it's not available in Australia or Japan unless you do what I do and use a forwarding company, which is a shipping company. Buy it in the US and then forward it, and then from the forwarding company they'll ship it on. It really doesn't cost anything. Like, it just costs you a little bit more in the shipping, yes, but to have a forwarding company, it doesn't cost you anything. So I'm sorry about that. It's not available yet. I haven't worked out how to do it. But the price difference for me, what it was going to be, it was going to be something between, so wholesale, the printing costs were going to be like, currently printing as it is right now with the colour was going to be like $5, $4 or $5. But then Amazon takes a lot. Amazon takes 40% or 45%. So Amazon gets a lot out of it. So really what's coming back to me, it's not very much. I think it's around about, $16 comes back to me out of that 35. Yeah. So it's it's a labour of love, let's put it that way, and also in the hope, and I've kept the price really low, that I will be able to share it more with the world. You will also be able to gift this and share it more with your friends. So, buy it as a gift, to give to a friend, to help them out if they don't know what to invest in or where to start. So I'm doing it that way. So if I was to get it printed in full colour for Australia and Japan, the cost was going to cost me, printing cost only, not Amazon's cost as well, printing cost only was going to be ridiculously high, something like $12 to printing costs, and then add on to Amazon's 40% as well. It just wouldn't be feasible. So, yeah, unfortunately, I've had to do it this way. I've picked the basic printing price. I didn't want to do it black and white because I wanted to do it in colour because it has tarot reading in it. So each asset, and as I said, I've read let's show you. Let's see if we can show you. So here it is here. See, it's colour. But I just want to show you this, the index. You can see all the altcoins, and if you look on the sales page on Amazon, you can see what the altcoins are. These pages currently right now are not up on Amazon because it takes 72 hours for them to process it. So, but they'll get up there eventually. So these are all the assets I've read. This is book one, okay? So I'm planning on doing another book and maybe a third book as well with different assets read. So yeah, I do want to share you that you can see all the assets I've read. I'm not going to read them out. As long as also some Forex and also some alternative currency like the CBDC, the BRICS currency, the Zimbabwe gold-backed digital currency, and also talking about my information I got on the RV, the revaluation, and those currencies I thought was quite important. This is what the book looks like on the inside. So this is the Ethereum reading. So what you get in it, super exciting. I'm so proud of it. I hope you like it as much as I do. And is a barcode to my reading, which you can find if you put in the search engine for Ethereum, Goddess Creative Ethereum, it would come up on YouTube anyway. But there is some readings, including Bitcoin, that is not open to the public. It's unlisted. So you have to get my book to actually see the Bitcoin reading. I haven't made it public, and I don't intend to. And there's a couple of other ones, like Saitama, I haven't made public yet, but I probably will. Same with reserve rights. I haven't made that public yet, but I probably will. But the Bitcoin, so what you get is information, and I'll go back to this page. Where are we? Yeah. So you get the predictions on cryptocurrency, the currency, and the commodities. So you get the energy and the timelines. So why is this important? So you get the timelines of how long the project will be around, number one, really important. And you also get when it gets back to its all-time high. What run do I get? There is also a private message that's unlisted, that's not on my YouTube channel, which I talk about the market, which is in this book, and you can only access it from the barcode in this book. So I talk about how the market will unfold in the next 3 years. So yeah, so it's access to my personal video by the author of How the Market Will Move in the Next 3 Years. So yeah, it's really, really good. I'm so excited about it. It's a lot of work has gone into it. So yes, a lot of work has gone into producing this book, and I really hope that you'll not just buy it for yourselves, you'll buy it as a gift for your friends and your loved ones, that it can also help them. So yes, yeah, I really hope you enjoy this. Sorry about that. As soon as I receive mine in the mail, I will do a video so I can share a little bit more about it, and you'll be able to see what it looks like a little bit more. But yeah, I paid a fortune to get it sent to Bali. Yeah, but it's just so lovely to see my work in print. And yeah, now let's give a little update. I did a meditation today, and a little update for the market is that currently I get it trending up for this month. So towards the end of July, I actually get it will be higher than what it is right now. I'm getting like about, and this is for the altcoins, an increase of around about 10% is what I'm getting. I don't know. Like timelines is, as you know, always really difficult to predict. It could go into August, but I'm actually getting August as a bit more of a down or sideways. But currently at the moment, what I'm getting is I do get a move up in the market. So it'll be interesting to see what happens. I think, what's the market today? 24 hours. Yeah, been up and down, sideways. Interesting. Okay, so what I was getting when I spoke to Spirit is more of a trending up, and that is for this month. So be interesting to see. We can have a little look and see if that's the case. And but like I said, I do get us going slightly higher and then sideways again. Okay. All right, I think I might leave it there because I've rattled on far too long again. And yeah, I hope you'll support my work and get my new book. I've tried to price it, as I said, really cheap. I'm hoping it's going to reach more people this way, and it's in print too. That's exciting. Like you get a hard copy of it, which is super exciting. Which would make, yeah, as I said, make a nice gift. So, yeah, and it'll be a record of my work. So it'll be interesting to see. Really holding myself accountable here, aren't I? Okay, that's just all part of the fun, isn't it? But okay, I'm going to leave it there. Love and appreciation. Namaste.